Lili Business Banking, which we talked about a few years ago, has now become the first platform to integrate banking, bookkeeping, invoicing, payments, and taxes all in one place, making this the ultimate tool for small business owners like myself. So no matter what your small business may be, today I want to show you some of the innovative ways that Lili is changing the business banking landscape and how this one platform can help you simplify your business's financial management and get back to more important tasks like growing your business. First things first, I do want to say a huge thank you to Lili for sponsoring today's video. So this is more of a product showcase than a typical review, but if you've been around my channel long enough, then you know that we've talked about Lili in several unsponsored videos in the past, and I've personally had a Lili account for years at this point, so I'm really excited to show you all that this platform has to offer. So let's start by answering the simple question of who is Lili for, and then we'll get to that long list of incredible features for both banking and accounting, the main benefits I see of Lili's integrated approach, and we'll wrap things up by discussing the different plans that Lili offers to help you decide which plan is right for your small business. So as far as who Lili is built for, I'd say it's really for any small business owner who's looking to streamline their financial management, whether they own a restaurant, a salon, some kind of online business or consulting service, or really anything in between. As you're gonna see later in the video, the different plan options that Lili has allow you to cater this tool to your needs, meaning Lili is really able to scale and grow alongside your small business. Again, we're gonna go over all of the available plans at the end of the video, but let's start by talking about banking features. First of all, Lili doesn't have any of those typical annoying business banking fees, meaning no minimum balance requirements, no hidden fees, no fees on your Lili Visa debit card, and with their feature called Balance Up, not only will there not be any overdraft fees, but they will even cover any overdraft up to $200, giving you even more peace of mind. Their partnership with Green Dot means you can deposit up to $1,500 per day in cash at participating locations, and while you should expect to pay a $5 fee for this, it is nice to know that you have it just in case you need it. In terms of payment options though, you've got everything from mailed checks to next day and same day ACH, and even domestic and international wire transfers. Lili Pro accounts and higher, which again we'll talk about in a second, can earn 3.65% APY on their savings account balance up to $100,000, which is always a nice bonus, especially since many of Lili's competitors don't offer any interest on savings at all. Obviously, those rates are constantly changing, just like they do with a personal savings account, but the fact that you're earning any kind of APY on a business bank account is pretty awesome. Because Lili is not just a banking product, but also an awesome bookkeeping tool, reconciling transactions also becomes faster and easier. For most small business owners, myself included for a long time, transactions would post to their accounts that then has to somehow be synced or manually moved to your bookkeeping software, where you can then attach a receipt and reconcile that expense, and then you have to repeat that entire process thousands of times for every single transaction. Not fun. Not only is that a huge waste of time, and again, I'm speaking from experience here, but it also costs a lot of money to either maintain a separate bookkeeping software or hire a costly accounting service for simple bookkeeping tasks. But with Lili Smart, when a transaction hits your account, it is automatically categorized using Lili AI, not only saving you hours in administrative tasks, but also reducing human error, leading to more accurate financial reporting. Lili even has an integrated tax preparation tool, allowing you to instantly track write-offs, pre-fill your tax forms, and create automated tax buckets, helping you to streamline the entire tax preparation process, and also saving you a lot of money on tax preparation and bookkeeping costs. Now, I'd venture to guess as a small business owner yourself, you like getting paid on time, and with Lili's invoicing tool, not only are you able to get paid faster, but you can easily create professional invoices, track them on the go, and ultimately improve your cash flow, which is so important, especially as a small business. Now, invoices can be emailed directly from the app on your smartphone or can be exported and shared, and you're able to keep an eye on the payment status and send out push notifications and reminders for any overdue invoices. As far as payment options for your customers, they do have conventional methods like debit and credit cards from all major card providers, ACH payments, and checks, but even more modern and convenient payment options like Venmo, Cash App, and PayPal. Plus, with all of this being integrated under one platform, that means that your cash flow statements, P&Ls, and other financial reports can be generated with just a few clicks. And when that money does eventually hit your account, like we just talked about, a portion of that income will automatically be set aside into a tax bucket, making sure that you are never surprised with some huge tax bill that you weren't prepared for. So let's say you just got paid $1,000. Well, you could set up your tax bucket to automatically set aside $250 of that $1,000 payment, or 25%, to make sure that you're prepared for tax season. So the AI tools that we just covered already put Lili well above competitors, but we haven't even gotten to the coolest feature called Accountant AI. Don't get me wrong, automated transaction categorization is going to save you countless hours, but Lili's Accountant AI can literally help you make better business decisions based on your financial reports. Let's say you're looking to invest in a new piece of equipment or maybe some training for yourself or your employees, but you're not quite sure what the next right move is. Well, using Accountant AI, you can quickly get a personalized, data-driven answer based on your business circumstances and financial standing, as well as the latest tax laws. And that not only means faster, well-informed decision-making, but that ability to ask tax and accounting questions means you'll be able to maximize your deductions, ultimately making your business more profitable. All right, so the big remaining question is, of course, which of the 4 plans is best for you and your small business? And I'll say from the start that if you're just starting your business, then this is a great opportunity to hit the ground running with clean and organized books. And if you're already running a business, then my guess is you see the benefit of the many integrated tools that Lili offers. So first of all, if you know that your business just needs banking features and none of the more advanced bookkeeping options that we talked about, then you'll want to look at the Lili Basic account. But I'll be honest with you, if you're at the point where you're trying to legitimize your small business and separate those business and personal transactions, then it's also time to start keeping really clean books, which means reconciling transactions and attaching receipts to all of the corresponding transactions. So if that's the case, then you might want to look into a Lili Pro account, which is $15 per month, but you can get a 30-day free trial and 40% off of your first 3 months to see if it's a good fit for you. Plus, it's also worth mentioning that all of these plans would be a deductible expense for your business. But with that step up from Lili Basic to Lili Pro, not only are you going to get those expense management tools, but you also unlock that 3.65% APY on your savings. So depending on how much you plan on depositing into your accounts, that alone could pay that $15 monthly fee. Actually, I did the napkin math for you, and depositing just $5,000 into a Lili Savings Account at 3.65% APY would equate to $15 per month in interest. So there you go, your monthly fee is covered. Stepping up from Lili Pro would then be Lili Smart at $35 per month, with the same 30-day free trial and 40% off of your first 3 months. And this is where you're going to unlock the Accountant AI and tax preparation tools, and knowing that, the justification becomes pretty simple. I say that because you may already be paying for some kind of accounting and tax prep software anyway, and therefore you're really just trading one business expense for another. But by making that switch, you're able to consolidate software, getting your banking, accounting, and tax prep all under one umbrella. So let's say you had a Lili Basic or Lili Pro account for all of your banking needs, but then you were paying separately for QuickBooks or some other accounting software, and you'd have to move all of those transactions over to that platform and reconcile everything on there. Well, the most basic form of QuickBooks Online is $35 per month alone. So for that software, you're already at the price of Lili Smart, not to mention the convenience of having everything under one platform and the additional tax preparation tools and all of that other stuff that you get. And from Lili Smart, the jump to Lili Premium is just a matter of how much customer support you feel you need, since Premium is going to come with a dedicated account specialist. Plus, it also comes with a pretty sweet metal debit card, so if you're into that kind of thing, then Lili Premium might be worth the upgrade. Whether or not those upgrades are worth an extra $20 per month is really up to you, but for me, I think Lili Smart is the best value for your money, considering all of the other accounting and tax preparation expenses you would be paying elsewhere just to organize and pay your taxes at the end of the year. So all in all, this is clearly the most comprehensive business banking and accounting tool on the market, and a great value for small business owners, myself included. Those premium features do come at a monthly cost, but that may be easily justified if you're already paying for separate accounting and tax softwares. I'd say if you're looking to have all of your business finances under one umbrella, including your banking, bookkeeping, and tax prep, then I personally haven't seen a better integrated solution than what Lili is currently offering. But as always, that is just my opinion. So let me know what you think of Lili down in the comment section. And again, if you want to get 40% off of your first 3 months, then check out that first link down in the description box to sign up. Again, I want to say a huge thank you to Lili for sponsoring this week's video and creating such an awesome business banking platform that I think is going to help so many small business owners. But as always, thank you so so much for watching. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.